Hello families! Today I wanted to provide an overview on how to help your child quickly access some of the most important resources that we are going to use this school year. So I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcut, and then I'm also going to teach you how to save a web page onto your desktop. So when you click on this red, green, and yellow circle or Google Chrome, the Google search engine will pop up. At the very bottom, you see a button that says Add Shortcut. When you click on that, you add a name to that shortcut and then the URL. So for example, and I'm going to click Cancel for right now, if I type in clever.com, it'll pop this page up. Now, I'm not going to add a shortcut to this page. I'm going to add a shortcut to the next page where it says Login as a student. Then I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste that URL into the shortcut. So I'm going to title this Clever, and paste that URL in. Now, anytime that my child needs to get onto Clever to access the Zoom meeting or to access the Symbaloo page that has all of our educational games and resources on it, if they need to get to the virtual classroom, this is the link they're going to want to click. Now what's great about Clever is that once you're logged in for the first time, it'll automatically log you back in. So even though I'm not logged in right now, when I click on that the next time, it should log me right back in. I shouldn't have to go in through my Google account again. Now the second one that I wanted to show you, we're going to go back for a second to that main page, is Seesaw. So I'm going to add a link for Seesaw in just a moment. I need to type in Seesaw to my Google search engine. Click on that, very top one. And again, I'm not going to save this page because this page is not the most helpful for my students. I'm going to click the login button, and it's going to ask me to log in as a teacher, as a student, or a family member. This is probably the page that I would add a shortcut to. So again, I'm going to copy. And paste that URL right here. So again, the students will have a link that they can click on. It'll take them right to the login page. It'll be so much easier for students to be able to access it. And Seesaw, again, is one of those accounts where you should be able to log you right in after you've logged in for the first time, as long as you don't log out of the account. So if I go back, now I have those two shortcuts here. There's another way that you can do it. If you're on the Clever login page, I can also left click, Save As, and I can save this as a web page, and I can actually save this to my desktop. So that way, you can see right here, it says Clever Login. The only thing it won't have is it won't have that Clever icon for students to know that that's what it is. So I like the shortcuts a little bit better. It's a little bit easier for the students to know what they're clicking on. But if you want it directly on their desktop, so all they have to do is double click that to log them in, that's totally fine too. If you have any questions about how to add shortcuts or bookmarks to any of the resources that we're going to be using to help your child at home be able to access the material a little bit faster, please let me know. And have a wonderful day.